Ever wonder how water reaches the top of a skyscraper or how gasoline gets into your car? The answer? Pumps. They're everywhere, quietly powering our world. In every major industrial plant, whether making soda or generating electricity, pumps move fluids where they need to go. Pumps provide the force to move liquids, gases, or slurries from low to high pressure, just like squeezing toothpaste from a tube. They're the workhorses that transfer water, chemicals, and oil, keeping industries running. Without pumps, modern life would grind to a halt. Think of a pump as the heart of an industrial plant. Just as your heart pumps blood through your body, pumps circulate vital fluids through pipes, delivering energy and resources everywhere they're needed. If the heart stops, the body stops. If a critical pump fails, entire factories can shut down, costing millions. That's why engineers devote so much attention to designing and maintaining pumps. They're the central component that drives the whole process. Understanding pumps is key to understanding how our world works. They're not just machines, they're the heartbeat of industry. So next time you turn on a tap or fill your tank, remember, it's all thanks to pumps. They keep our cities alive and our industries moving. Pumps, simple, powerful, and essential. So how do pumps work? It's not about sucking fluid in, it's about pushing it. Pumps create a low-pressure zone at the inlet, letting atmospheric pressure push fluid inside. Inside, spinning impellers or pistons add energy, boosting the fluid's pressure. The energized fluid exits at the outlet, ready to travel long distances or uphill. This cycle, suction, pressurization, discharge, happens thousands of times a minute. The result, a steady, powerful flow that keeps systems running. From fish tanks to city water supplies, this principle is universal. It's a simple, elegant process that powers our world. Pumps don't pull, they push, using physics to move fluids wherever they're needed. That's the magic behind every pump, big or small. Science in action. Not all pumps are the same. Engineers design different pumps for different jobs. The two main types, centrifugal pumps and positive displacement pumps. Centrifugal pumps are like marathon runners, great for moving large volumes at steady rates. They use spinning impellers to fling fluid outward, converting speed into pressure. Perfect for water, coolant, and other low-viscosity fluids. Positive displacement pumps are the weightlifters, built for high pressure and thick fluids. They trap and force fixed amounts of fluid through the system like a syringe. Ideal for oil, honey, sludge, or precise chemical dosing. Each type is a specialized tool chosen for the job at hand. Centrifugal for flow, positive displacement for force. From water plants to chemical factories, the right pump makes all the difference. It's all about matching the pump to the task. That's smart engineering. Choosing the right pump is crucial for safety, efficiency, and reliability. First, consider the fluid. Is it thin, thick, clean, dirty, corrosive, or flammable? The pump's materials must handle the fluid without corroding or failing. Next, think about flow rate and pressure. How much fluid and how far or high does it need to go? The wrong pump size wastes energy or can't do the job. Too small and the system fails. Too big and you waste money and risk damage. Using the wrong type or material can cause leaks, breakdowns, or even disasters. That's why engineers use calculations and charts to match pumps to applications. The right pump keeps everything running smoothly and safely. It's a science, and it matters. Get it right and the whole system thrives. Installing the right pump is just the start. Maintenance keeps it alive. Pumps run non-stop, so parts wear out. Regular checks prevent failures. Watch for vibration, leaks, or strange noises. These are warning signs. Cavitation, where vapor bubbles damage parts, is a common threat. Maintenance teams inspect, listen, and measure to catch problems early. Ignoring maintenance is like ignoring your car's check engine light. Eventually, you'll break down. In industry, a failed pump can halt production and cost a fortune. Pumps are the beating hearts of our infrastructure. They deliver water, power, and fuel quietly, reliably, every day. With the right care, they keep our world running. That's the power of pumps and the brilliance of engineering. Keep the flow going.